I do.
Yeah, go ahead. You're on. You can say anything.
Alright. Yeah, I'm a white girl. Deal with it. Okay? Here's my song. It's about the east side of St. Paul. Hey yo, it's B Money on the track. Bring it back. This is the east side rap. East side gangsters, you know where they be at. White Bear, Maryland, slang and crack. You can trust an east sider with your life, but not your shit. So you better watch your drink before it gets sipped. These east side gangsters be loving us white women. I can't walk into a BP without them tripping. Hey baby girl, what's your name? What's your number? Most of the time I just give them the cold shoulder. It ain't easy being a white girl in the ghetto. Either these niggas want my ass or my cheddar. That's why I always carry pepper spray, so that these rapists don't try to come about my way. And that's when I get to my bends and drive to the burbs, cause at least I know that weed gets me high.
Pretty good.
Cut.
Bravissimo.
It used to be a little bit faster with it.
Well, yeah, it was.